Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Cat's Cottage. Got my nice cup here and a nice cup of coffee and the fire. I just got it going. It's nice and warm out here. It's not quite like yesterday. I'll walk over here and I'm gonna look. Well, let's look and see if there's any stars. Okay, turn you around. Okay, I'll tilt y'all up. Yeah, there is one right there. Yeah, see it? Let's see, I'll bring the camera down. Right there. Bring it over. It's right there. Yeah. One star this morning. And swing around this way. I don't see a moon at all. Okay. And my star is just straight up above me. Just straight up. Okay. Well, that's my greenhouse. I keep it lit up now. Nothing in it, but maybe a few things. And I'm gonna go and get my, let's see, let's start out. I've already crumbled up my bread here. See, this is I put it in the seat in case it rains or anything like that, or it's safer for the birds to get up here instead of on the ground. I tear up bread right. It's just a slice because I don't have as many birds, bread birds as I used to have. I think somebody killed them. Okay, I'm gonna get a few raw pecans. Oh my gosh, peanuts for the chipmunk and the finches. They like peanuts too. Try not to drop these. Let's see, I dropped one somewhere. Okay, there it is. Now, and right down here, y'all have seen little Foxy eat right here. I just break a few of them up for the birds. Although Foxy won't let them have them most of the time. So now I'm gonna come over here and over here, and I'll set the camera down so I can get this open. Okay, this is a metal garbage can with bird seed in, so the rodents won't get in. Okay, there's the big one. Here's the smaller ones for the woodpeckers. Put this lid back on. Okay. And let's see, we'll walk back this way. All the way back here is where I hang them up. Okay. Right here's where I hang them up. And this is the one I have for the woodpecker. You can see I have soot in it. And I hang it right here. And then I have a second one some of those nuthatches. They are, or if there's more than one woodpecker, they, I give them room. Put this one on this shepherd's hook, and then I'm gonna have to sit y'all down because it's a little heavy. Okay, and this is the bird feeder that I have that where nothing can get in but the little birds. Okay. Now we'll go back. And in this big tub right here, I have one more feeder. I used 2 of those things. And then down here, I have, and it's getting it's getting deeper and deeper where I can't hardly reach it. But this right here is fish food. Now I'm gonna walk back. I won't leave that fish food tub open. I'll be back and close it. But here we go right here. And I'll throw this scoop of fish food, throw it right into the middle. Yep. Then I'm gonna take this bird feeder. I apologize if I've shown this over and over. There we go. Now, you can see I got a mixture of sunflower seeds and little millet seeds. And this is the bucket top I've talked about. I wired on the bottom to catch the seeds and make it easier for the bigger birds to eat. So anyway, okay. Now I'm gonna go put my scooper back and close my lid. There we go. There's those pretty jasmine up there. Still smelling wonderful. Okay. Let's walk back. Okay. And now, here we are. Here at the fire. Excuse my hand. We are. Drink my coffee here before it gets too cold on me. And sit back and relax. Okay, I'm close to my time. Close to my time's up. So I'm going to say bye to everybody, and I may see you later. Yesterday I didn't make that second video because I was cold and I couldn't warm up, so I went in the house to try to get warm and drank something hot. Finally I warmed up by making some egg drop soup, and I ate that, and that worked. So, anyway, I'll talk to y'all later, and y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.